Okay, so this is my first video. It's going to be awful. I know that ahead of time, so I'm giving you a warning. But I just wanted to do a video of this controller. Okay, it's a voltage controlled switch. I was having problems finding instructions on it, finding someone who ran it properly. Finally got it sorted out, and I just wanted everybody to see so that they knew if they were looking to buy this. So right now this unit's hooked to a 12 volt 7 amp hour battery. It's also connected to a cooler, which is my load, and here I have a battery charger set up to reload the battery when it's dead. So what I want is when I hook up my fish finder to shut the unit off when the voltage gets to, I think it's about 11 volts, 50% of the battery, so that I don't kill the battery and am not able to use it anymore. So when setting this unit up, I have the voltage in from the battery, okay, and the voltage out to my load, and then on the back I'll put up a screenshot of it. I had to jump from here to a battery port on the back. That's where I was having the biggest issue. And then setting it up. So this, the lower button, okay, when you press and hold, it will flash. And this is your upper limit. So this is when it resets. It turns the switch back on and allows power to flow. This top one is your lower limit. So this is when it disconnects, okay? So again, push and hold, it'll flash. Eventually, when it's flashing, then you can set it. Okay, so right now it's set at 11 volts. It will disconnect, and you won't get any power going to your load anymore. Right now, this is when it's not flashing. This is your current voltage. This light shows you when it's disconnected. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut off the battery charger. Okay, voltage is there. I'm going to turn on the load, maybe, if it wants to work today. Come on, there it goes. Okay, so lights on, it's running, I'm drawing power now, okay? So, it's running. When this drops to below 11, it's going to kick off, which will protect the battery from getting under voltage, and make the battery last longer. So, we're just going to watch it. It won't take long. It's a big load for a little battery. Try and do this two-handed, just so you can see. That's the voltage on the multimeter. I know I get the leads on backwards, but whatever. Okay, so there it goes. Okay, it's kicked off. With the load gone, the battery jumps up to 12.3. The light indicates that it's disconnected. And lights off. We've lost power to it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to kick the charger back on. That'll bump the voltage up. Okay, voltage is going to climb. And see how we jumped to 13 because of the charger? It exceeded our limit there. So now, with our limit exceeded, we're back on here. So that's how it is. I hope this helps a couple people, few people, one person, I don't care. But yeah, it's a good unit. I just had issues getting it sorted out. Not many videos and not a whole lot of help the way they were set up. So if you're looking to protect your batteries, keep them from getting under voltage, great unit for that. You just got to get it sorted out. So thanks. Bye.